Owning multiple properties can be a fantastic way to build wealth and achieve financial independence. But let's be honest, managing multiple properties can also feel like juggling flaming torches. How do you keep track of tenants, maintenance, finances, and laws without losing your mind? What if we told you it's possible to simplify the entire process and regain control? Join us as we explore smart, efficient strategies to manage your properties with ease and make your real estate empire run like a well-oiled machine. Embrace property management software. Managing multiple properties without the right tools is like navigating without a map. Property management software is the game changer you need to streamline your tasks and centralize all critical information. These platforms allow you to track rent payments, schedule maintenance, store tenant data, and even handle marketing for vacancies. With intuitive dashboards and automated reminders, property management software takes the guesswork out of your operations and frees up your time for other priorities. Using software tailored to property management keeps you organized and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Many programs also come with mobile apps, so you can manage your properties on the go. Imagine receiving notifications about overdue rent or upcoming inspections right on your phone. This real-time access to your portfolio ensures that you remain in control, no matter where you are. And when tax season arrives, these tools also help you generate reports, making financial management seamless. The beauty of these systems is their scalability. Whether you have 3 properties or 30, you can customize the software to match your needs. From small landlords to large-scale investors, the right digital tools eliminate unnecessary stress and improve operational efficiency. You'll find that investing in property management software is not just a cost, but a time-saving asset that allows you to focus on growth. If you've been struggling to juggle multiple spreadsheets or remember tenant requests, now is the time to upgrade your approach. Embrace technology to simplify your workload, reduce errors, and keep your properties running like a professional business. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Delegate with trusted professionals. Trying to do it all yourself when managing multiple properties is a recipe for burnout. Delegating tasks to trusted professionals not only saves time but also ensures a higher standard of service for your tenants. Hiring a property management company is one of the best investments you can make for stress-free ownership. These experts handle everything from tenant screening to emergency maintenance, giving you peace of mind. Property managers are particularly useful if your properties are spread across different cities or states. They act as your eyes and ears on the ground, keeping tabs on your properties while you focus on bigger picture decisions. They also have industry connections, which can result in better vendor pricing for repairs or renovations. By leveraging their expertise, you can maintain professional operations without personally attending to every detail. If hiring a full-service property management company feels like overkill, consider outsourcing specific tasks. For example, you can work with contractors for maintenance, accountants for bookkeeping, or real estate agents for tenant placement. This way, you stay in control of the broader operations while minimizing the workload on your plate. Delegation is not about giving up control, it's about running your business smarter. Choose professionals with a proven track record and establish clear communication channels to ensure alignment with your goals. With the right team in place, you'll spend less time putting out fires and more time focusing on growing your portfolio. Optimize tenant communication. Clear communication with your tenants can prevent small issues from snowballing into major problems. Whether it's about rental agreements, maintenance requests, or community policies, being transparent and responsive fosters trust and cooperation. Investing in communication tools such as tenant portals or automated messaging systems can help streamline interactions and ensure every tenant feels heard. Providing tenants with multiple ways to reach you or your management team is essential. Some may prefer email, while others might feel more comfortable using an app. Offering flexibility in communication channels demonstrates your commitment to their satisfaction. Additionally, tenant portals can centralize all interactions, allowing tenants to pay rent, submit repair requests, and access documents with ease. Regular updates also play a vital role in building tenant relationships. Sending reminders about inspections, community news, or holiday greetings shows that you value them as part of your business. At the same time, these updates give you the opportunity to set expectations or clarify policies, reducing misunderstandings. Effective tenant communication isn't just about being responsive, it's also about consistency. Setting clear boundaries, such as your availability hours or emergency contact procedures, ensures you're not overwhelmed by constant demands. By striking a balance between accessibility and professionalism, you create a positive tenant experience while keeping operations smooth. Schedule preventive maintenance. Waiting for things to break down before addressing them is a sure way to create chaos in property management. Preventive maintenance is the cornerstone of managing multiple properties efficiently. Scheduling routine inspections and repairs not only keeps your properties in top condition but also saves you from expensive emergency fixes. Preventive maintenance starts with a detailed checklist. This should include inspecting HVAC systems, checking plumbing for leaks, cleaning gutters, and ensuring electrical systems are up to code. Regular upkeep extends the life of major systems and appliances while ensuring your properties meet safety standards. It also gives you an opportunity to address minor wear and tear before it becomes a costly repair. Tenants appreciate landlords who prioritize property maintenance. A well-maintained property not only attracts high-quality tenants, but also encourages existing ones to renew their leases. Additionally, staying proactive demonstrates that you care about providing a safe and comfortable living environment. Documenting your maintenance schedule is equally important. Use software to track completed tasks and upcoming inspections, creating a reliable record for future reference. Preventive maintenance may require an upfront investment, but the long-term savings and tenant satisfaction make it well worth the effort. Implement a robust financial management system. Staying on top of finances is essential when managing multiple properties. Without a reliable financial management system, it's easy to lose track of expenses, miss payments, or overlook profits. Adopting software designed specifically for property accounting can help you stay organized and ensure every dollar is accounted for. These tools allow you to track income, monitor expenses, and generate financial reports with just a few clicks. Accurate bookkeeping begins with recording all property-related transactions, from rent payments to repair costs. A robust financial system makes it easy to separate income and expenses for each property, helping you identify high-performing assets and those that might need closer attention. You'll also gain insights into trends like seasonal fluctuations in utility costs, which can help you budget effectively. Tax preparation becomes significantly less stressful when you use financial management software. These systems provide detailed expense tracking, making it easier to claim deductions for maintenance, depreciation, and interest payments. Many platforms also integrate with tax software, streamlining the process even further. This level of automation reduces human error and saves valuable time. Managing finances isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about making informed decisions to grow your portfolio. A strong financial management system gives you the tools to maximize your investments, plan for future acquisitions, and handle unexpected costs. With clear insights at your fingertips, you'll be better equipped to make decisions that drive long-term success. Leverage the power of automation. Automation is a secret weapon for landlords managing multiple properties. By automating repetitive tasks, you can save hours every week and focus on higher-value activities. Tools like automated rent collection, lease renewals, and maintenance scheduling eliminate manual effort while ensuring nothing gets overlooked. Setting up automated rent collection is a game changer. Tenants can pay online, and the system tracks payments, sends reminders, and flags overdue accounts without requiring your intervention. This not only simplifies your workload but also improves cash flow consistency. Similarly, lease management software can automatically alert you when leases are nearing expiration, giving you ample time to renew or list the property. Maintenance is another area where automation shines. Tenants can submit requests online, and the system can prioritize tasks, assign vendors, and notify tenants about progress. Automation ensures maintenance is handled efficiently, reducing tenant complaints and protecting your property's value. Additionally, you can schedule routine inspections or servicing for HVAC systems, smoke detectors, and other essentials. While automation can't replace the human touch, it handles time-consuming tasks with precision and reliability. Embracing this technology lets you operate more like a business and less like a frazzled landlord. It's an investment that pays off in reduced stress and increased efficiency. Diversify vendor relationships. Relying on a single vendor for property repairs and maintenance can backfire if they're unavailable or overcharge you. Building relationships with multiple vendors ensures you always have a reliable backup while keeping costs competitive. It also allows you to match specialized contractors to specific tasks, improving service quality. Maintaining a vendor database is a smart practice for property managers. Include details like specialties, pricing, and availability, so you can quickly find the right contractor when needed. A diversified network also reduces the risk of delays during emergencies, as you won't be stuck waiting for a single vendor to become available. Building strong relationships with your vendors goes a long way. Pay invoices on time, communicate clearly, and provide feedback to establish mutual trust. This ensures that contractors prioritize your projects and deliver high-quality work. Reliable vendors can even alert you to potential issues before they escalate, saving you time and money. Negotiating bulk discounts is another advantage of working with multiple vendors. When you have multiple properties, your repair and maintenance needs often involve recurring tasks like plumbing or landscaping. Vendors may offer discounted rates for a consistent business, making diversification a financially savvy move. Stay informed about local laws. Operating across multiple jurisdictions means navigating a maze of local regulations. Laws regarding rent control, eviction procedures, and security deposits can vary widely, and failing to comply can lead to legal trouble. Staying informed about these rules ensures you remain compliant and avoid unnecessary fines or lawsuits. Researching landlord-tenant laws in each area where you own properties is a crucial first step. Understanding key regulations helps you craft lease agreements that align with local standards. For example, some jurisdictions have strict rules about late fees, or require landlords to provide specific disclosures. Adhering to these guidelines protects your reputation and legal standing. Working with a local attorney or real estate expert can help you navigate complex legal landscapes. They can review your documents, advise you on compliance, and represent you in case of disputes. Proactive legal support is an investment in your peace of mind, especially when dealing with multiple properties. Regularly updating your knowledge is equally important, as housing laws can change. Subscribe to newsletters, join landlord associations, or attend workshops to stay ahead of new regulations. Being informed allows you to adapt quickly, keeping your properties compliant and your business running smoothly. Optimize marketing strategies. Keeping your properties occupied is the lifeline of your rental business. A strong marketing strategy ensures vacancies are filled quickly with high-quality tenants. With multiple properties, you need a scalable approach that targets the right audience while minimizing downtime. High-quality photos and detailed descriptions make your listings stand out. Highlight unique features like updated kitchens, proximity to amenities, or pet-friendly policies to attract your ideal tenant. Virtual tours and videos add another layer of engagement, allowing prospective tenants to explore the space from the comfort of their homes. Diversify your marketing channels to reach a broader audience. Post your listings on popular rental platforms, local classifieds, and social media. Paid advertising can also help boost visibility, especially for high-demand areas. Ensuring your listings appear professional and accessible increases your chances of attracting responsible tenants. Responding quickly to inquiries is key to converting leads into tenants. Streamline this process by using automated responses or hiring a leasing agent to handle communications. Prompt, professional interactions leave a positive impression and set the tone for a successful landlord-tenant relationship. Build a system for tenant retention. Finding new tenants is time-consuming and expensive, so keeping your current tenants happy is a smarter strategy. Focusing on tenant retention reduces turnover, ensures consistent cash flow, and strengthens your reputation as a landlord. Creating a positive living experience starts with prompt attention to maintenance requests. Tenants are more likely to renew leases if they feel their needs are addressed. Regular communication, such as sharing community updates or seasonal greetings, also helps build a sense of connection. Offering lease renewal incentives can further improve retention rates. Small perks like discounted rent for signing early or upgrades to the unit show tenants you value their loyalty. These gestures cost less than the effort and expense of finding new tenants. Feedback is a powerful tool for retention. Ask tenants about their experience and use their insights to improve your property management. Whether it's addressing concerns or adding amenities, these actions demonstrate your commitment to tenant satisfaction and long-term relationships. And there you have it, proven strategies to manage multiple properties without breaking a sweat. From leveraging technology to fostering strong relationships with vendors and tenants, these steps will help you streamline your operations and achieve lasting success. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Hit the bell icon to stay informed about our latest tips and tricks for real estate success. Until next time, happy managing.